read and learn. Sky is so bright. Smart kids grow with moonlight.
Read and learn, shine so bright. Smart kids grow with moonlight. eSchoolify series, fun and true. Learning dreams for me and you.
Welcome to eSchoolify series.
Assalamualaikum, Sayyida Mayam Naqvi's here from the Moonlight International Publishers. My dear students, how are you? I hope you all are fine. Look over here. It's for today's letter, lowercase letter x. And the sound of x is, the first sound of x is x, but the ending sound of x is x, x, x. So, let's start. How to write it, how to pronounce it, and its vocabulary words. Start from red dot, make slant line, make another slant line. It will make small letter x. Small letter x. And its initial sound is x. X-ray, Xbox, X-ray fish. I can play the xylophone and see an X-ray. And see, yes, X-ray. What can I see? X-ray. I can play the xylophone and see an X-ray. Okay, how many X are there in the above sentence? Only two. Very good. Name the two objects that start with the sound X. X-ray, Xbox. It's time to mime. Look over here. Mimic, playing a xylophone and say x, 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 x. Very good. I hope so you understood and enjoyed today's letter X, its sound and vocabulary words. Allah Hafiz.